Om Shri Sai Ram children. I hope you all are fit and fine. So are you ready for today's class?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay, good. So let's begin our class with three Omkarams. So join your hands, close your eyes and let's chant Omkar thrice. Sai Ram children. So, as we were discussing chapter 5, numbers from 10 to 20, and we had seen videos also yesterday to understand it better, right? How to make a group of 10, and if we are adding loose ones, so how many it will be, and where is the place of which number places at ones and tens till 20, right? We have seen. So, let's proceed further in the same chapter. So, let me present my screen first. Can you see the screen, children?
Yes, ma'am. The Tata Classic screen I can see.
Yes, yes. So yesterday we saw one video and we did worksheet also. Let's see, we have another one in Tata Class Edge. So how to make a group of 10 that already we have seen yesterday, counting, and let's see this one. Okay, so it has worksheet here, right? Let's see the questions. One minute, my cursor is little stuck. Yes. Yes. So read the number and color the same number of objects. So what we have to do, we have to see which number is given here in this box and we have to read this and we have to color the same number, right? As many whatever number is given here, as many stars, as many as images, we have to color it. Okay. So here it is 8. So we will count 8 stars and we'll color it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So 8 stars we are going to color here, right? So you have to do like this. Let's see the next one. This you can do by your own children. So I'm not going to color here, right? Okay, next is 9. So it is very simple, but as you are interested in coloring very much, so this is the coloring part. So counting as well as coloring together. So 9 fishes you have to count here, and let's see how many are there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So we'll leave 1 and 9 we will color, right? 1 will left, the uncolored one. Yes, now 0. So 0 means nothing, right?
Zero means nothing.
Yes. So are we going to color any kite here?
No, ma'am.
Yes, very good. No. So we are not going to color any kite here because it is 0 here. Let's see the second page, children. Okay. Yes. Count the spiders and write the number in the box provided. Now, here you have to count the spiders. How many spiders are here? Can you count this box?
Ma'am, four.
4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So we are going to write here 4. Yes. Now next box, can you count how many spiders are here in B1?
One, two, three, four, five, six, seven, eight. Nine. Ma'am, nine spiders.
Right. Very good. So 9. Okay. How many flowers are in the vase? So see, this is a vase in which we keep flowers, right?
Ma'am, two flowers.
Two flowers. So here we will write two flowers. And in the second one, how many? As you can
Ma'am,
see,
one star.
one. Yes. And in this vase, how many are there? Nothing, right? So what we are going to write, what we are supposed to do, right here.
Ma'am, zero.
Very nice. So we are going to write here 0. Okay. So page number 3 we'll see. A very colorful page. Hmm. So circle the group with lesser number of objects. So we had seen yesterday more. Yesterday we did more, right? Which box is having more object? So here it's a lesser one. So less is just opposite to more, means more means zyada and less means kam. So which is when we are comparing two objects, right? So what we say lesser. Okay. Now how many stars are here? One, two, three, four, five. Five stars are here, and balls. How many balls are here? One, two,
Ma'am,
three,
four.
four. So which one is lesser? कम कौन सा है?
Ma'am, balls.
Balls are lesser, right? So we'll just what we have to do here. We have to just circle it. We can take this red. Oh, we'll make a circle, right? It's not a good circle, but you have to make a nice circle. Okay, let's see the second one. Again, we have to see the lesser part. One, two, three, four, five. Five balls here we have. And here, one, two, three, four, five, six, seven, eight, nine. So 9 stars we have. So which is less? 4 or 5 or 9? कौन सा number कम है?
Ma'am, five.
5, right. So we are going to circle these balls. Okay. Now, greater number. Now you have to count the both objects and you have to see which one is having greater, which one is having more, right? Greater means more. So we'll count stars 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 stars are here, children. And here how many? 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So 9 or 8. Which one is greater? Which one is bigger number?
Ma'am,
Zada.
nine is bigger.
9 is bigger, so we'll circle this part, right? The brown stars.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now here you can see 3 balls. Easily you can see and identify which one is more. No need to count here. Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am. The three balls one.
Yeah. So this is the lesser one, but we have to what we have to do? We have to circle the bigger number.
On the bigger number.
Yes. So how many balls are here? This
And seven.
means 7 are here. So this will be the bigger one, right? And we are going to circle this. Very good. So we have given answers, all the answers correctly. Let's see what we have in this. One more worksheet. Yeah. Here, children, join the objects in both groups to make pairs. Then circle the group that has fewer objects. The first one is done for you. First one is done for you means the boy are how many boys? One, two, three, four. Four are here. And how many this? Okay, so you have to make a pair, right? So this boy will eat, suppose this candy, another will eat this candy, this will eat this one, third one, fourth one will eat fourth one. So we have to make pair, and we can make one object, we can make a pair with one object with another object, not more than one. So we have taken one candy with this boy, we have paired, again we have done the second with the second boy, third candy with the third boy, and fourth candy with the fourth boy. Now how many are left? Two are left because we don't have further more boys here, so we'll not able to match them. So again it is very simple, you have to make a pair here, right? For example, I'm just going to show you. Suppose I've taken, yes, black color. Now how many dogs are here? One, two, three, four, five, six dogs are here. And bones, how many bones? One, two,
Ma'am,
three,
4.
four. Yes. So we have to match, we have to pair one with another, right? So this dog is going to eat, sorry, this this bone, like this. So we'll match with this. Second will eat second bone. Third dog will eat the third one, and fourth is going to eat the fourth one. Now, again, two are left. It means six is two more than four, right? By pairing here, we can learn six is two more than four. Okay, let's come back to our NCRT book, children. We'll do the further exercise given in the book. Yes, write the missing numbers. Can you see this page?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So write the missing numbers means it's up to 20 only, children, as we are studying numbers from 10 to 20. So here some numbers are missing in between. Like we count from 10 to 20, we have already counted, but here in between some numbers are missing. So what we have to do, we have to write those numbers which are missing here. So 10 is given. Now again after 10 what will come, tell me? Which number will come?
Ma'am, 11.
11 definitely. Then 12, right? 12
Yes,
is written?
yes, ma'am. Then 13.
Yes. Then 13, right. Then
14.
14. Then 15 is here. After 15, what will come?
Ma'am, 16.
16, 17, 18,
18.
19,
19.
20. Right? All the boxes we have to fill as we are counting forward, right? Now
Ma'am.
here, two numbers are given, and in between the two numbers, one box is empty, means that one number is missing here. So we have to find out. It's very
71.
simple. We have to just do counting here, children. So 16, what comes after 16?
Ma'am, 17.
17,
We did
right.
in LKG and UKG missing numbers.
Yes, this you have done. Yes, right. So it is very easy for you, right? So no need to explain it further. You are able to do. Now 13, after 13, what will come?
Ma'am, 14.
14? Yes. You can see the answer down here. Here it is the answer. Yes. This is for those who are not able to do. I hope all can do. Now, children, the next question is, what comes after? It is also very simple. It means if you know the counting, then you are able to do. So what comes after 18?
Ma'am, 19.
Yes. And
Then
then
20.
20. And after 14, what comes after 14?
Ma'am, 15.
15.
Then 16.
Then 16. Right. So it means you know this because you have done it in your LKG also, right? UKG also. Okay, so it's before. Just like that we have done after, now it is before. What comes before? So in this question, some of you sometimes they might do mistake actually. So just it is backward counting. If you know backward counting from 20 to 1, so it's very easy for you, right? So just before 16, what comes if we start backward counting from 17? 17, 16, then
15.
16. Very good. Now here, just before 9, what will come? Can you
Ma'am,
just
8.
count? Yes. So 9, backward counting, it will do 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Likewise. So you should be able to do backward counting also. And after 9, what will come?
Ma'am, 10.
10. So this question is before and after both. What comes before 9? What comes after 10, right? So you have to practice this type of question also. These are the answers, children. Now we have one more question here, that is bigger one. Can you see this? Circle the bigger number. Is it visible, children?
Yes, ma'am.
Easily you can see, no?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So here we have a set of two numbers, right? 11 and 13. So we have to find out which is the bigger one and we have to circle. So one is done for you here in among 11 and 13. Which one is bigger? कौन सा बड़ा number है? ज़्यादा number है?
13.
13. Very good. And now here in this second set, you can see 13 and 15. So yesterday when we were discussing about the bundle of 10, I told you one thing. If you find difficulty in identifying the bigger number amongst like 13, 14 or two digit numbers, what you can do, you can just check out the tens place. So this is the tens place here, ones tens, and this is ones tens, right? Right? So tens place, what we have in both the numbers, we have 1, 1. So both are equal. Now you just see 3 and 5. Which is bigger number, 3 or 5? Can you hear me?
Yes, ma'am.
So which is bigger number, 3 or 5?
Ma'am, 5.
5. So definitely this 15 is going to be bigger number, right? So 15 is the bigger one. Now amongst 18 and 8, which is bigger one? As you can see, this is a single digit, one digit number, and this is two digit number. So
Ma'am,
definitely a
18
two
is
digit
bigger.
number. Yes. So 18 is the bigger because it is two digit number. Okay. Now 12 and 8, again one digit and two digit number.
Ma'am, 12 is bigger.
Very good. Now 6 and 16.
Ma'am, 16 is bigger.
Very good. 16 is bigger. Now 7 and 17. Which is bigger?
Ma'am, 17.
17. Very good. Now 10, 11. It means 11 is bigger, right? Because
Yes,
10 after
ma'am.
10, 11 comes, right? Now 1 and 11. Very easy.
Ma'am, 11 is bigger.
11. And 9 and 19. Among 9 and 19,
Ma'am, 9.
19 will be bigger. Very good. So let's see the answer down here. Yes. So very nice. Very good. You have given all the answers correctly. Well done. So
Thank
keep
you,
doing
ma'am.
practice, children, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Now we have the next question in our textbook, that is circle the smaller number. So just opposite to that, as we have done bigger here, ज़्यादा कौन है, बड़ा वाला कौन है, big number कौन है. Now it is a smaller one, means the छोटा वाला, right? What is the opposite of big? Small? Yes? You must
Ma'am,
have
small.
learned English, yes. So here, like one example is given, 20 and 10. 10 is smaller one. Now, let's see the next one, 6 and 4. Which is the smaller?
Ma'am, 4.
4. Very good. 10, 12.
Ma'am, 10.
Yes. 11, 9. Which is
9.
smaller? 9. 9 is smaller. Very good. 5, 15.
Ma'am, 5 is smaller.
Yes, it is a one digit number. This is two digit number. So here one digit will be smaller, right? 12, 2.
Ma'am, 2 is smaller.
2 is smaller. Very good. 16, 17.
Ma'am, 16 is smaller.
Yes, 16 is smaller because when we will add 1 in 16, then we will get 17, right? So it means 16 is smaller. Chota hai ye, right? Now 9 and 10.
Ma'am, 9 is smaller.
9. One digit number, two digit number. So it is smaller 9. Very good. 15 and 13.
Ma'am, 13 is smaller.
13 is smaller. Very nice. So we will circle 13, right? So let's see the answer down. Yay, very nice. All the answers you have given are correct, right? So well done, children. These exercises are given in your textbook in chapter 15, chapter 5 only, children. So what you have to do? You have to do it by your own, right? Okay. So can you do it by your own?
Yes, ma'am, I can do.
Now, when we'll do this biggest one, when we will have three sets of numbers, then we say biggest number. As we have seen in chapter 1, that was near, far, farthest, big, bigger, biggest, small. So when we compare three objects, as I told you earlier also, then we use biggest, or if we are talking about the smallest one, then that is smallest. The comparative degree will be this, right? So here we have to see in सबसे बड़ा वाला, biggest means सबसे बड़ा, जितने भी दिए हैं more than two, जब दो से ज्यादा कोई ऑब्जेक्ट दिए होंगे, then we will talk which is biggest, which is smallest, right? तो सबसे बड़ा नंबर कौन सा, वो देखना है हमें. Let's see here 13, 3, 9. It is given 13 is the biggest one. Easily you can tell the both are one digit number and it is two digit number. Now let's see here down 10, 5, 12. So 5 is one digit. So ये तो सबसे छोटा हो गया, right? Now
Yes, ma'am.
these two are two digit number. So we have to see इनमें से कौन सा बड़ा है, right? So 10 बड़ा है या 12 बड़ा है?
Ma'am, 12.
So this will be the biggest one here. So we will circle 12, right?
Yes.
Very good. Now 19, 18, 17. So just you can see it is a backward counting 19, 18, 17, 16, 15. Likewise.
Ma'am,
So
19 is the biggest number.
yes, so it is the biggest one. It is written in decreasing order, descending order, right? Okay. Now 12, 15, 20. Which is the biggest one here? 12, then 12, 15, then 20.
Ma'am, 20.
20 is the biggest one, right? Now 11, 12, 13. Which is the biggest?
Ma'am, 13 is the biggest.
It's a small to bigger number here. It is given like that 11, 12, 13. So 13 will be the biggest one, right? Now 13, 16, 14. As you can see the tens part here, all are having one. One
Yes.
here, one here. Now you have to see 3, 6, 4. Which is the bigger?
Ma'am,
3,
6. 16
6,
is the
4.
biggest, ma'am.
Yeah, 16 is the biggest. Very good. So let's see the answers, children. Yes. So all the answers you have given correct. Similarly, we have the smallest one, children. So we'll finish this also. Smallest means सबसे छोटा, right? सबसे छोटा वाला number देखना है हमें.
Yes,
So
ma'am.
let's see. 7, 2, 4. You can see here 2 is the smallest one. सबसे छोटा दिख रहा है आपको,
Yes,
right?
ma'am.
In counting, it is 1 to 20. So in counting, you can see which comes first. सबसे पहले कौन सा आ रहा है उस सेट में? वही सबसे छोटा होगा, ठीक है? So let's see the next one. 15, 7, 20.
Ma'am, 7.
7 will come first when we'll start counting from 1 to 20. Right?
Yes,
7
ma'am.
will come, then 15 will come, and this 20 will come at the last. So this will be the smallest one as it is single digit number and it is two digit number, right?
Yes,
Now
ma'am.
1, 10, 20.
Ma'am,
So
1.
1 is a single one digit number, okay?
Yes, yes.
And it is very smallest here, right? So it is the smallest here, right? So this will be the answer. Yes. Now 14, 16, 12.
Ma'am, 12.
12. As you can see, the tens part all are having 1, 1, 1, 1.
Yes.
Now at the ones part we can see 4, 6, 2. So सबसे छोटा कौन सा 2 है?
2.
उसके बाद 4 है, then उससे बड़ा 6 है. So this is the smallest one, 12. Now 19, 8, 9.
Ma'am, 8.
8, very good. 16, 15, 14.
Ma'am, 14.
14. So let's see answers here down. Yes. So all the answers you have given are correct. Well done. So that's all, children. This was from today's class. I hope you have learned how to identify the biggest, smallest, right?
Yes, ma'am.
And you can compare also bigger and smaller, right? And
Yes.
missing numbers also you have learned already. You can do it very well. So I hope you are going to practice and do it in your textbook, right?
Yes,
Will
ma'am.
you do? Will you do today?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So let me come back to you. And at the end, we are going to do Shanti Pad. Do you have any question, any doubt, children?
No, ma'am. I understood.
Okay, very good. So join your hands, do the Shanti Pad. Om Shanti, Shanti, Shanti. Thank you, children. Sai Ram, take good care of yourself. See you in the next video.
Sai Ram, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.